Hi Coach, my name is Olivia, and today I'm excited to show you how to send contracts in CoachVantage. There are two ways to send a contract document to your clients for e-signature. The first way is to simply navigate to Contracts on the left-hand menu. Then you can select the green Send Contract button and you will be brought to this window here. Alternatively, you can also send a contract from an individual contact record page. To do this, simply navigate to Contacts on the left-hand menu. Next, select a contact. In this case, I will select Annie. Here, on the individual contact record page, simply select the Contracts tab. Then, press the green Send Contract button, and you will be brought to this screen. This way, you can send a contract to Annie with ease, and she has already been selected as the client who you'd like to send the contract to. Now, the first step is to either upload a document from your local drive or from the resource library. Please note that only PDF type documents can be selected. Other document formats such as .doc, .png, or .jpeg are not supported at this time. Alternatively, you may also click the Choose from Template button to select a template that you've already created. In this example, I will upload a document from my resource library. I will click the drop-down menu and simply select the document I'm looking for and press Next. Then, give your document a title. As a quick tip, the document title should be descriptive so that your clients will understand what it's about. In this case, I will call the document Spring 2026 Coaching Contract. Press the green Next button to proceed. Here is where you can choose to send the contract to an existing client or a new client. Since I'm showing you how to send a contract via an individual contact record page, as you can see, Annie's name and email address has automatically populated. Press Next to continue. Now, you will simply edit the document by dragging and dropping the placeholder fields for signature, email, text, and date. Dragging and dropping, say, the date field is so simple. And let's say you drag and drop the incorrect field. To delete a placeholder field, all you have to do is double-click on the outline of the box and then select the trash icon here. I will point out that you can change the signer type here. This is where you can choose whether the information should be filled out by the coach or by the client. For example, I will select Client and drag and drop the client's full name placeholder field here. As a quick note, the red asterisk symbolizes that this placeholder field is required. To make a field optional, simply select it and then unselect the required checkbox. In this example, I will keep this placeholder as required. Scrolling down, you can also see here that there is a signature section. Similarly to before, to add placeholders to the signature section, I will simply drag and drop a signature field to Client Signature here, and then I will change the signer name and simply drag and drop the signature field for the coach right here. Brilliant! Once you've edited the document to your liking, press the Next button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. The last step before sending this contract to Anna is simply to review it and preview it. If everything looks correct, press the green Send button at the bottom right-hand corner. Then, confirm that you would indeed like to send the contract by clicking Proceed. Wonderful job! The contract has successfully been sent. When you close this window, you will be brought to the Contracts page. CoachVantage will send an automated email to notify your client that you've sent a contract for them to sign. Here is an example of the email that your client will receive. For more details on how clients can e-sign a contract, please refer to the article in our Help Center titled How Clients E-Sign Contracts. It's that easy. Thank you for watching this CoachVantage tutorial on how to send contracts. We hope this information has been helpful to you. Happy coaching!